Hello beautiful people, my friends, lots of love to you today. Owen Fox here, the beautiful Wexford coast. Just want to let you know that I have a free gift workshop on today for 45 minutes about the topic of self-love and how it breaks down into different things like self-care, self-nurture, self-nourishment, lifestyle practices, diet, and different avenues in terms of self-care and self-nourishment, as well as self-protection, which is getting away from and protecting yourself from things that aren't fully nurturing to you. So you're going to really love this one. So if you want to join me for this, please just click on the link for my invitation to my community group, which is a holistic body, mind, spirit group about spirituality, relationships, self-love, raising our frequency, consciousness and vibration, as well as healing from past trauma, hurt, pain, and limitations, limiting beliefs, etc. So click on the first pinned comment or in the description, and I'd love to see you there, and I look forward to seeing you. It's 2 p.m. GMT.